are going to learn the possible configurations available on AWS App Runner, and we are going to examine a deployed AWS App Runner service. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a lab session with AWS App Runner. AWS App Runner is a fully managed container deployment service. AWS App Runner gets automatic code or image building and deployment, load balancing traffic across application resources, auto-scaling resources to maintain steady performance at the lowest possible cost, securing applications endpoints using certificate, application log and metric integration using AWS CloudWatch. When deploying an application using AWS App Runner, developers provide the code and App Runner will create and maintain the web service in the cloud. AWS App Runner allows two types of source repositories for deploying a service, which is source code and image. Now we can start the lab. Now we are logged into AWS console. I'm going to go to AWS App Runner, search for it if you haven't used it before. We are going to click on Create Service. There are two repository types, Container Registry and Source Code Repository. We can go to Source Code Repository and deploy the service from the code hosted in the source repository, which can be GitHub. Selecting Container Registry gives two providers, Amazon ECR and Amazon ECR Public. If we select source code repository, then it will connect to GitHub. Now we are going to select Container Registry and Amazon ECR Public. It's going to ask us for container image URI. We are going to type public AWS containers, hello app runner, latest, and deployment settings we will go with manual and click next. As a service name, now we can add test. 1 V CPU is okay and 2 GB is enough. We go down, it's auto scaling. There is two options, default configuration and custom configuration. There is health check, protocol, HTTP, path, timeout, interval, under health threshold, If the application resources interact with other services, so you need to provide an IAM user here, and networking, public endpoint, public access, incoming network traffic, outgoing public network traffic, observability, configure observability tooling, tracing with AWS X-Ray, and if we want, we can add tags as well. So clicking next. Source, container registry, provider, ECR public. Here on the left, we can see services. And this one. Default domain. Yeah, lab use services successfully deployed on AWS App Runner. So in the logs session, we can see logs, event logs, image deployment, artifact, successfully copied image from ECR, provisioning instances, deploying, performing health checks on port, health checks is successfully routing traffic to application, successfully routed incoming traffic, deployment with ID, completed successfully. We can check the metrics in here, metrics tab. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you. Bye.